we recognize it. And God, I pray that we let go of the stories and the things that we have been told about ourselves. I pray about the things that people have poured over us, the things that they have told us about ourselves that we take on as a truth. And God, I pray for the way that your Holy Spirit can unwrite that truth, can unwind the lies and stories and bullshit we have been told for centuries. May we learn to let it go. May we learn to get out in nature. May we learn to connect with you. May we stop. May we pause. May we smell the flowers.